Visiting a waterfall is one of the most jaw-dropping, spectacular experiences ever. It is no joke that the concept of cascade of water falling through the sky, simple though it is, proves again and again to be one of the most captivating natural wonders. In today's video, we will take you around the planet to discover some of the most beautiful waterfalls you have ever seen. Niagara Falls, North America. Time and time again, Niagara Falls has been heralded as the best waterfall in the world, boasting an enormous 2,600 feet in length and 167 feet in height. It is one of the top attractions bordering both the USA and Canada. Niagara Falls is made up of three waterfalls: the American Falls, the Bridal Falls, and the Horseshoe Falls, combining to produce the highest flow rates on any waterfall on Earth. Angel Falls, Venezuela. The special reason why Angel Falls is one of the greatest waterfalls is that it's the highest waterfall in the world, falling from a height of 979 meters. It is named after Jimmy Angel from USA. The waterfall is 15 times higher than Niagara Falls, which has a height of 52 meters. Yes, this is the tallest waterfall in the world. Victoria Falls, Zambia. Victoria Falls is famous for being the largest waterfall in the world, though technically it is not, at an awesome 355 feet high. The Victoria Falls is commonly known due to the breathtaking height the water rapidly falls at. These falls are iconic and described as once in a lifetime by many. What is more is the waterfall has a vast natural pool where visitors can swim safely. Iguazu Falls, Brazil and Argentina. These falls are one of the most impressive natural landscapes in the world and a favorite destination for any traveler going to Brazil or Argentina. It can be visited from the Argentine and Brazilian sites. Yosemite Falls, USA. Yosemite Falls is the fifth highest waterfall in the world and the tallest in North America, located in stunning Yosemite National Park. This falls consists of three separate falls with a drop of 2,425 feet that give the illusion of one giant cascade of water. Tugela Falls, South Africa. Tugela Falls is the second highest waterfall in the world, at a height of 3,110 feet. Apart from its stature, this highest waterfall in Africa also let tourists enjoy a 12-kilometer hike that is brimming with fantastical natural views.